Welcome to TNTVT. We are in kinematics series and today's our topic is change in velocity. So inside change in velocity we have two topics, clock case and average acceleration. The length of a second hand in a watch is, so in a watch there are 3 hour, minute and then second. Second is the longest and its time period is 60 seconds. The change in velocity in 15 seconds is 15 seconds. So first of all we have to find the velocity of second. Velocity is equals to r omega. R into omega is equals to 2 pi by time period. Radius is 1 centimeter into 2 into pi and then time is 60 seconds. So pi by 30 centimeter per second is the velocity. Now change in velocity. So after 15 seconds, if it is in 60, then it will go, if it is here, it will go here in 15 seconds. So it will travel a distance of 90 degree. So now change in velocity. Change in velocity, we know that v1 square plus v2 square, as it is 90 degree, this is the formula. And then as to v are same, so it will be v root 2. We will come outside. Now velocity we have here, so putting the value of velocity root 2 by centimeter per second. So this is our correct answer. Now moving on, a car is traveling due east at 20 meters per second. Turn towards north. So first east north, we have to east north, west north, south. A car traveling due east at 20 meters per second turns towards north while changing its speed in 10 seconds. Now average acceleration of the car for its turn is. So now our traveling is 20 meter per second towards north, 20 meter per second, and 20 meter per second east, and turns without changing in 10 seconds. So it will turn like this in 10 seconds. Now average acceleration is equal to change in velocity, final velocity minus initial velocity by time. So we have to consider the directions here. So v minus u, if v is this way and u is this way, then v minus u will not be in this quadrant, it will be in this quadrant, and v plus u will be in this quadrant. So you have to consider that in writing the directions, it will be in northwest direction, and the velocity here is, so they are to 90 degree, then you have to use the formula. They are 90 degrees, so you have to use the formula 2 is 20 square by time is 10 seconds. So 400 plus 400 plus 400, 800, root 100, 800, it will be 2 root 2, and 10 will also come outside and it will cross with 10, so it will be 2 root 2, and direction will northwest. So 2 root 2 northwest is the correct answer. In the above case, if car makes U-turn, then average acceleration of car will be. So now U-turning case, so car was moving like this and now it will come like this. So it was going in east direction. If you consider directions, east, west, north, south, or traveling east, so it was going east, now it will take a U-turn, and then travel to west direction. So now in this case, two vectors will be added, because in vector addition it will be cos theta will be 180, which will give all square, and then it will cross, so making v vector minus u vector by time, it will be 20 plus 20 by 10, so it will be 40 by 10, so it will be 4 meter per second square. But here are no options. It will be 4 meter per second due west, because we are traveling in west direction, this direction. So we have a problem here. A car accelerates from rest at constant acceleration, constant rate alpha for some time, after which it decelerates at constant rate b and comes to rest. The total time elapsed is t. Then maximum velocity. So in acceleration case, it will go from here to here, consider, and here will be maximum velocity, and after which it decelerates, so it will come to rest, so it will final will be 0, final 0, initial here, initial 0. So now let's do next copy to make it easier. So now in acceleration cases, v is equals to u plus a t. So final velocity will be maximum, so u is equals to alpha into t. And in deceleration case, final velocity will be 0, initial velocity will be maximum minus beta into t, because it is in deceleration, so v is equals to beta t. Now total time t is equals to t1 plus t2. Now t1 here is this and t2 here is this, so if we make like this, it will be v by alpha plus v by beta is equals to t. Now if we solve, it will be v common 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta, it will be alpha plus beta by alpha beta into v is equals to t. So if we arrange, it will be t into alpha beta by alpha plus beta is equals to v. So maximum velocity will be alpha into beta by alpha plus beta into t. So this is the correct answer. Keep tuned for more videos.